In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up subscriptions for various Flowtify modules in order to receive automatic email notifications. First, open your user account and then select the Subscriptions tab. In the next step, you can create a new subscription by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right. Start by entering a unique name for the notification. In this example, you want to be immediately notified about CCP-related issues. Notifications are sent by email by default. If you have a HotelKit connected to Flowtify, you can also choose your HotelKit account as the notification method. Depending on your permissions, you can select which locations the subscription should apply to. In the next step, you specify exactly what you want to be notified about. The options available to you depend on the purchased license package. In this example, we only want to be informed about HACCP-related issues. Deactivate all options except for failed, deviating, and expired tasks. However, since you do not want to be notified of every single deviation, use the label filter to determine the condition that triggers a notification. In our example, it is the CCP label. Once you have saved your settings, you will automatically return to the subscription overview. From now on, you will be immediately notified if tasks with the CCP label are marked as failed, deviating, or expired in any of the selected locations. By the way, you can pause or reactivate individual subscriptions at any time. Next, let's create a subscription that notifies you by email when sensors detect deviations. After entering the basic settings like name and location, simply activate the options for warning and action limits within the IoT section. Please note that alarms can only be triggered for sensors for which warning or action limits have been defined. This applies to notifications within the app as well as by email. Our third example of a subscription is aimed at people who want to be automatically informed about audit events at a specific location. For example, you could be notified as soon as the master report of an audit has been created or when changes have been made to a deficit list. The various examples are intended to show the many ways in which you can stay up to date with a subscription, especially if you are responsible for different locations or cannot always be on site yourself.